In this video I am going to cover all of your misunderstanding about AI and introducing you with advanced and in-market concepts. Sounds great? Aha, let's start. What are AI agents, and how do they work? Answer. AI agents are autonomous systems designed to perceive their environment, process information, and take actions to achieve specific goals. They can range from simple rule-based bots to complex systems using machine learning and deep learning. They work by following the sense, think, act loop. Sense. Collect data from the environment, e.g., via sensors, APIs, or user input. Think. Process data using algorithms to make decisions, e.g., reinforcement learning, decision trees, NLP models. Act. Execute actions in the environment, e.g., sending responses, controlling devices, recommending products. In business, AI agents are deployed in customer support, chatbots, logistics, autonomous routing, and sales. Amazon. AI agents for personalized shopping. How they use AI agents. Amazon's recommendation engine uses AI agents to analyze your browsing and purchase history. It predicts what you're likely to buy next and shows you, customers also bought, suggestions. Their Alexa virtual assistant is another AI agent helping you shop hands-free. Your daily connection. When you shop on Amazon, those product suggestions and deals you might like are AI agents at work. When you ask Alexa to reorder toothpaste or play music, that's another example of AI in action. AI in healthcare. Early diagnosis. What happens? AI scans medical images, X-rays, MRIs, to detect cancer or heart disease earlier than doctors can. Daily example. Google's DeepMind AI is being used in the UK's NHS to detect over 50 eye diseases. Why it's practical. Early detection saves lives and lowers treatment costs. Model types used. Brain convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image recognition in X-rays, MRIs. Brain transformer-based LLMs, e.g., MedPALM by Google, for analyzing medical literature and assisting doctors. AI in traffic and public safety. What happens? Smart traffic lights adjust in real time based on traffic flow. AI predicts accident-prone areas to alert drivers. Daily example. In Barcelona, smart sensors direct ambulances along faster routes. Why it's practical. Reduces road congestion and saves lives during emergencies. Model types used. Camera with flash computer vision, CNNs plus YOLO models. Object detection in traffic cams. Abacus reinforcement learning. Optimizes traffic light timings dynamically. Real example. Smart traffic systems in Barcelona, NVIDIA Metropolis for urban planning. AI in climate change and environment. What happens? AI monitors deforestation, predicts extreme weather, and optimizes energy use in buildings. Daily example. IBM's Green Horizon predicts air pollution levels in Beijing. Why it's practical. Helps cities and individuals reduce carbon footprints. Model types used. Upward trend time series forecasting models, RNNs, LSTMs, for weather, pollution prediction. World map geospatial AI using CNNs on satellite imagery. AI in law enforcement and emergency response. What happens? AI scans CCTV footage for crimes in progress and alerts police. Daily example. New York uses ShotSpotter AI to detect gunshots and send help faster. Why it's practical. Speeds up response and saves lives. Model types used. Speaker audio classification models, e.g., CNNs for waveform analysis, detect gunshots. Camera with flash computer vision for suspicious activity detection in CCTV. Real example. ShotSpotter uses sound pattern analysis for gunfire detection. AI for personalized education. What happens? Apps use AI to tailor lessons to each student's learning pace. Daily example. Duolingo adapts its difficulty level for each user. Google's Read Along app helps kids improve literacy. Why it's practical. Makes learning accessible for kids and adults globally. Model types used: Memo large language models, LLMs, like GPT, for tutoring, chatbot features. Bar graph recommendation systems, matrix factorization plus transformers, for lesson customization. Real example: Duolingo's BirdBrain AI adapts lessons per user. AI in fashion design and retail. What happens? AI predicts fashion trends, recommends styles, and even designs clothes based on data from social media and purchase history. Models used: Paint Palette Generative AI, GANs, creates new clothing designs. Bar graph recommendation engines, personalized fashion suggestions. Daily Life Connection. Zara uses AI to plan new collections based on customer behavior. Real example: Stitch Fix uses AI stylists to pick outfits for users based on their style profile. AI in disaster prediction and management. What happens? AI predicts earthquakes, floods, and wildfires by analyzing satellite data and weather patterns. Models used: Wave Recurrent Neural Networks, RNNs, for time series forecasting of natural events. Satellite Geospatial AI, maps areas at risk. Daily Life Connection. Governments use AI to send early warning SMS alerts for tsunamis. Real example: Google's flood forecasting AI sends alerts in India and Bangladesh, saving thousands of lives. AI in mental health crisis prediction, social media analysis. What happens? AI scans social media posts for signs of depression, suicide risk, or cyberbullying and alerts moderators or family. Models used: Brain sentiment analysis models, detect negative emotions. Speech balloon transformer-based LLMs, understand context in text. Daily Life Connection. Facebook uses AI to detect suicide risk and send help notifications. Real example: Crisis Text Line uses AI to prioritize urgent messages for human counselors. Make sure to subscribe. I will keep uploading the secret stuff for you so you can make a better future plan to develop yourself with the growing era. Any questions, feel free to comment.